Optimal reflex triggering breathing wave. Allowing 2 natural breaths, and on the third breath, at the bottom of the exhale, extend it by bending forward, coming back up, allowing the in-breath, a slight arch which will deepen the in-breath, then come back to straight up and let 2 natural breaths occur. On the third exhale, extend the exhale, bending forward, come back up, inhaling gently, slight extension, it deepens the inhale, and come back on the exhale to the upright position. Wait 2 natural breaths and repeat. At the bottom of the exhale, extend the exhale, allow the in-breath to come in, a slight extension, deepen the inhale, allow the exhale to occur, coming straight up, 2 natural breaths, and do it again. The optimal reflex triggering breathing wave.